Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat spotlight is not showing up. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If your Snapchat is not showing this spotlight option as like in mine, the first thing you should try is to update your Snapchat application by going into either your Play Store or App Store. And after opening the Play Store or App Store, just simply search for Snapchat, and if it shows the update icon, just simply update your application, then it will start working properly. And if it still doesn't work, you should just simply uninstall the application and restart your phone and then again install the Snapchat. Then your problem will probably be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.